Welcome. If you want to get Facebook Lite on your Huawei P40, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here you have to download this application, and the second step is to open the application to transfer data, and I'm going to use the application name Phone Clone. And right now I'm gonna open it on the both smartphones. Click this is the new phone on your Huawei P40, and on the old phone, this is the old phone. And we have to enter the settings, get access to the location on our second Android smartphone, and choose again the old phone. Right here we have to choose the old phone type. This is also Huawei, so right here we have to click on the Huawei, but if you're using the Samsung, Xiaomi or any other brands, you have to click on the Android. And if you use the iPhone, of course you are typing on the iOS icon. So let's tap on the Huawei, and right now we have two ways to connect. The first one is to scan the QR code, but also we can connect them manually with this password right here below. Now we are waiting because our smartphones are connecting. Okay, and right now you have to click right here to unselect all of these things. Scroll down to enter the apps and data, and right here we have to find Facebook Lite. And here it is, so tap on it, select OK, transfer, and right here we have to input our lock screen password. Now we are waiting because our P40 is receiving data and is successful. One item was sent. Click on the finish, tap on the OK, and here it is, Facebook Lite on our Huawei P40 without Google services. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.